A local man is on a mission to help Detroit's homeless. He started his own organization that feeds and clothes the homeless, but to keep it going, he now needs help to help others. Fox News' Ingrid Kelly with that story.
A garage full of clothing, a truck full of bread, all waiting to help someone in need.
Helping Detroit is a grassroots organization that literally we are the middleman between people that would like to donate to the people that they know need it the most.
Robin Chichester helped start Detroit Helping Detroit less than a year ago after he saw a growing need for things some may take for granted, like a hot meal or a winter coat.
Anything that we can do to help Detroit, that's why we're here, Detroit Helping Detroit.
On Mondays and Tuesdays, Chichester says he collects food donations and then prepares everything in his home.
Sometimes we'll create a cold meal that we know they can put in their backpacks or in their pockets for later, but our also concern is to provide a nice, hot, tasty meal for them right on the spot, and that's what they appreciate the most.
Chichester doesn't want the organization's name to confuse anyone about who they help, but he does make this clear.
Detroit Helping Detroit is kind of more of an ideology of saying, you know, let's help each other. Let's also let's take care of our neighbors first before we consider, you know, helping elsewhere overseas or in other states or other parts of the country.
If you would like to help out by donating or simply need a helping hand, Chichester says you can call their hotline or find them on social media.
Some of them are saying, hey, I really need help with the phone, an electric bill, you know, or something like that, or I'm in need of a refrigerator, or I just, you know, whatever the situation is, we don't ask questions, we just try to provide what it is that they need.
In Livonia, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.